Hello everyone, today we're going to be unboxing the GPS navigation system here. On the side here it says optional major brands of electronic navigation map. Do not have any access, no other charges. No other charges. Targeted high sensitivity receiver module, ever in the 2 to 5 meter range. Okay, it just stops there, but okay. Alright, so let's here's the GPS unit. It's a 7-inch screen. And underneath here we have the stand for it, which can and it turned on too. Let me just nice stand, so it can it looks like you store music, you can play videos on it, photos, you have games. Looks like it might be able to have Bluetooth. I believe that's the symbol for Bluetooth. Inside you have a car charger, and here is your to mount it to your windshield. You need to, it looks like you need to keep the stand on to hook it to the car mount. Yep. And then let's see. Here we go. Quick search. Alright, we'll go back. Let's try and put in an address. Select count. Country or state. Okay. Let me push A. Aha, there we go. Oh, okay. We're all learning. And then looks like it's showing where we're going to be going to. Says it's waiting for GPS signal. We are inside the building, so let's walk outside. Okay, folks. So now that we're in the car. It's we got it set up. I did find the GPS signal. Probably just took a few minutes since we're starting it up for the first time. But we have our destination set in. See here, it tells us how far it is, 2.1 miles. It'll take us 6 minutes. And down here, I know you can't see it because of this sticker in the front, but it's got the estimated arrival time. So let's go take that quick drive.
Take the next right.
Also, nice thing, it shows you the speed limit on the road that you're currently on.
After 1,000 feet, turn right. Take the next right.
Also, up here it tells you the next road that you're going to be on, and shows you some of the surrounding roads around you. Down here at the bottom, it'll tells you the current street that you're on.
After 1,000 feet, turn left.
It's okay.
Take the next left.
I just took it out of the cigarette lighter there. It's got a full battery, so we don't want to overcharge it.
After quarter of a mile, turn right. Then take the next left. Take the next right. Then
So
take the next left.
Another thing I also noticed is that once you go over the speed limit, the sign right here
Take the
turns
next
red.
left. Then take the next right.
Alright.
Take the next right.
Now it says we're almost at our final destination. It's got the little checkered flag there.
You arrive at your destination after quarter of a mile.
So it got us to our destination, no problem. Very clear directions. This has many functions, but the most important one, the GPS, it works great. So that was the unboxing and then testing of the GPS navigation system.
Calculating route.
And thank you for watching.